Ebusuani komo o channel so aha 88 protect abadi. Podcast of secretary and because make headlines. Jembre na EDB exobo ni dim ya huraksi mu se ene edi kan ya. Omari aso bi subscribe to the channel. With notification bell so yembo ngura e highlight. Onuya Wontumi the company a friend of Akonta mines. Onuya court ahye say company no emu agapade including excavators ni nyina no yenje na yemfama enye oman na bɛhyɛ wo sɛ yɛmu nwura ɛyɛ nsɛm nim abra abiafoɔ atrase na ɔmu ɛyɛ mu pensimpensimu na ɔmu da ɛnɔɔma bi adi nsɛm a ɛkɔɔ so ɛwɔ court a yɛfrɛ no proceedings ɛfa kyɛm Wontumi ne nsɛm no a ɛho bɛhia sɛ yɛde bi ɛsom yɛmu nwura ɛyɛ nsɛm
more than that. But in the lawyers, say young lawyers be on beginning ma attach and omo ya de pa anya sanke ebu anka obenya the maximum sentence that is 25
years
for
no
each count no.
Tina count to be at 25 years.
Yes, that's the maximum.
Count to be at 25 years. I don't lose 5 counts, 6 counts in now.
1, 2, 3 counts no. I'm saying
okay. So judgment na kasa say.
Judgment na kasa no. Any 20 years na aba no. We say most of the media for no if you been here court inside
the one kasa
yeah the bar outside and be no afa okay so ibo na yen so yemfa full no emba sa
okay
but court judgment na judge in mind no enye 20 years with the radio good me to say money first a year multi enye 20 years
enye 20 years
enye 20 years
now how many years
first boni me 6 counts
okay
ya ka 6 counts just say oboni awaye insia na da
ya kan makoma sia na da ma no
nti baako de na ye for Akonta mining no but 5 de na ye for Wontumi
it is 6 charges no baako for Akonta mining as a company
because ono so ya accused second accused ono ye third accused
a company no
yes
okay and a 5 na kan nyina na ye individual court
individual aye ngofo mienu aye Wontumi ni second accused
ne wodwane no
nti ono so ba de Wontumi age ono so ba obeji the same
ono so ba wa save the same
wo mutu ni ya charge wo musa na company ni dia onye nimpa
okay
nti Wontumi ka say company e kwachi na akoto prison nti ono so company so na so ono so
de wo
ono so ni dia o judge
nti chere judgment mu ye say na judge no ba judge no ba na ba ma
oba Wontumi so unfortunately ne cases mi ense nyina ya mbanko a
cases 3 nyina ya ma
ne case Exim Bank dia ne oba e na chano ni mri ono so next week e be koso
ano so oba
nti temi o ye say ofi prison e ba court almost every week day be oba ono so oba
wow
ono so oba ono so ye fe no Ruby IT
wow wow judgment is saying
judgment ni say
because who say 20 years
enye 20 years
eburu sa na less
eburu sa
chechim
nti amafo mu die radio good na one judgment no eye first 3 counts no aye body aye say Wontumi di ye no all the lines ama obi a enu kwan so de man no ene sa body miense no ene eye 20 years ene ya asa fine ni sika says ka no Wontumi ntu a all the 3 years back 20 years no nti ba be 23
be 23 years
so otu sika ni dia sa obeko 20 years
okay
nti ene first 2 count nti sa judgment in there da ho and another one so no 4 and 5 no ono so ye Wontumi dia ono so ye 20 years and ono so ye man fine 3 Wontumi obeko 3 years aka
ho
nti wo de sa 23 no koka 23 na da wada na
46 okay
about 46 but Lord you say we be no concurrently
okay ye be ba ko frim
ye be ba ko ye yin frim kura ye be ho so asam ho ma Wontumi meche mo acho concerning nita no you know
okay
na dia ye tete ye ono so be breaking news ama
okay
nti that says Wontumi je dan kan no court jail no 43 years
court ankasa jail 46 years 40 years
plus 3 years fine bia Wontumi ntua
ano no sika ka ho et Wontumi ntua say sika na
obekọ 6 years aka
40 years na ho
but akwa currently no this means we trade 2 ni nyina ebomu
okay
nti akwa say obetwa 23 years so Wontumi sika na
yeah
but judgment na wo book mu say ye jail 43 years bone a wodi ye no 43 years
46 years
nti bone na odi ye no enye 20 years 46 years but obekọ no currently this is obetwa no 20 years na otu sika ndi obekọ 20 years and the last count in there no for the company no ono so judge na rule say aban and company no omo
Akonta man company no
ono omo machines ne omo tractors ne ade na ewo no asase no so no excavators ne japade omina no ye beji amasti so ono no onye nimpa ntumi njeli no nti ono so na so oye company ono no ye accused A3 ye ko gina court as A3 nti wo company no so ye bufu Akonta man ye bufu nti wo nyama no wo nye nimpa ye do betu nti wo nyama wo nyina ya agi e de amaban
enema wo nyina ne agi de amaban
ka obi bia o yafa
ne eye company ne dia no
enyo
the company so asotwere no ti a confiscate the assets of Akonta mining
bibia must
eba be this state no ho
nti state didn't take over so no oni onye nimpa
no
nti that's the point this means so you want to meet the kra company no a business entity it has nothing to do with the owner
okay
nti company so na asotwere no
eti
judgment in
it say na judgment ni mu nchire motia but ekwa kan say the work no and so serve back na ekova ni nyina aka but on the paper na de
no so no obi so the idea bi dia ba ye titi hu ye say ye court say sa dia no Wontumi ni second case na ono so sentence ono so 20 years 25 years 15 years
so between 15 to 25 because some offenses we yeah your information say or committee ni nyina any for year your friend is saying I don't know different from your friend is saying
turn on the media
no
and turn on the media so the same different but say on so kono one hwe ni ye be the same thing ama Wontumi ndi zango say na ya court no ya court no we de enye court asemo
okay
ya court dey say dia ne lawyer na apia kubi no nke sa case ni mama onche kra onye ko be ya na esugu onye ntentam ne yenjeli no so that on so say sentence ba be ko current na je Wontumi sa 20 something years no
not
the best is still be 20 years no and about what I said that turn on the media no any effect but say or 20 time next be 10 years sa case that so court is age is on promise of court
yeah
so who delay who could delay and say 20 years no we 15 years we next turn on the media no be kan wa which back 20 you be say ko start turn on the media no
prakunam yedin show so
oh gitumu na
eti be onye ntum na yemfa nyina nkeka o
ma ka na just wako 20
but e bia na ho no obedi bim so who knows
so di bim cross still 20 years no
eno obeko I see
so okodi for so wa na your man be 20 years the same 20 years na no obeko
eti the action and the action
and the action
wow I see Peter Taylor.
Hey, that's what. Okay. I know which you Kevin and
Kevin Tio. Yeah, Kevin Tio show.
See, they were maybe almost say, because court to cry lawyers, you know, say, hey, we Kevin Taylor. If it's a PP, Mr. P, we see me Pacho. It's many
but why Juma? Yeah, why Juma?
In Canada, another case, because of which media and nobody share Wednesday.
I'm in Yako Wednesday.
Wednesday, so
it is no, but to say, yeah, the case is Akawachiri, and I see it didn't feel so. Ever be yeah, no masan no
masan concern. Wow, masan go.
And
then that you won't media and why I'm bro.
But yeah,
Emia.
No, ya
Emia pa. Send na all corner. Send na and some BC no arrow.
And some BC
say we like at all. Because now it is a new one to be part and
and no about court no.
Which is a new one to me. Make at say we dey yen yanka ba yen mu binum dey ye betumi aka say nde kra osunye
and also sense
yes and the Wontumi ogina box to say
but enyo no na wo wura honom no na clock it na all you say anapa you
know no nim say the lawyers no say na ka say o mugine mu ama ne say nde case dem ba so because the lawyer ni o nti yentumi nka asam no na case so say fair because Supreme Court nti judge no man surprise so rejected those two applications ni nyina no say court ruling there beba so
anti omoko nyina no say ka lawyer no judge no bejatum say lawyer ni honti okwa asaba
2 days time that is 22nd July and so when you say Jones who 2020
yeah
na me we say wo ka say end 20th won't you agi 20 years
yeah
Another 20. Me we saw that was a 20. We
Yeah.
remember miracles be raise 1 people money na 2020 sa.
I see. That's we're not as someone who push about to them, my memory. My lawyer nin komo kisia na yen shade. Yen lawyer Isaac Minta Labi, a private legal practitioner. Lawyer Otemin ka uni akuma boachini maha.
Mejo so minua.
Lawyer Bajo bibi aboko de ewo.
Nyame adom bi aboko.
Lawyer, your friend wa we yan koma ye din na wi already good pampa sujuma die so it's all about judgment and fee a year court eba ne with regards to a year Sumner boy forester a koba say Akonta mining and one individual a friend Wontumi any nipa baako a mo say I don't know or at large just a relative kwa you no lawyer I mean say asemi we saying enye nene start here but finally judgment day yes chairman Wontumi echo 20 years ye bra ba ko hanom enso so my details na kakra but initial remarks about NDC you know say na hunu no
Yo, me da se ni akonya no. Mejina so de chia atiefo. It's just unfortunate but there be a me futu am de ma nipa da sane ni say o case we court also to mejina yi especially when it is a criminal court because obeda wan kasa uti wa umpaso na made achi na wa sore SSC ho akọ court wo kono just like any other day wo court na wa sen abefia babeda nti you assume say enen so no me ko ma sen babeda enso no enen no local court da before it takes only a second na o shebe asesa and then won't me po o koda prison nta di gina no onya du ya pe be woro naka ne sabi ne supporter pe ya hon samu e bi fi achiri ba ne ho de ade hon ne be bi o se di ni pako ya sam kase ntam kase nti ne ma se no e ba I just can't for the because of Busi because I quite say you the also ya court and some but if you be now we want to say you know akwenda say any bibia or say any na e kira some bia body be into come.
I see la yene komo kakra nkwachiri yen hwa de is it because na wono no wantimi anifani ne ho yi ana lawyers no and the evidence attorney general de call na ano odenti o mantimi argue on way through
Once judge I go through the whole evidence and also court na what generation dey born for na ordinary supreme 20 years on kodem with yasin me no me nyama ya mo case ni intimi nka say omo is na anyade and I say evidence near so strong but the meeting here can say once a conviction ban let's say judge no ni trimu and na this year money near cause in no jiri say from so no won't me I nti enunti no we born for on ordinary supreme
na bibisa sasa because lawyer appear could be and a share case yase it got to a point or case one to aso biem na ekwan judge na faso conduct ne ho no wajitu mu enye yie but from prelims no such a statement and as bibia sa ama until say judgment date ebaya lawyer no ka say or twene ho ma lawyer foforo eba mu ntina na bibisa sa question say o hwe the conduct of the lawyers na ebit be ka say from so normal who say case no more client no it's na such behavior koswana
the lawyer appear could be a me na anya de is one way case ni fi fi asia bi si ni ni ta ma de menti ba That time no answer lawyer no. Rule I will play no. The only thing that can be aka so be written address. So be I'll be try so be ma judge na dey about to say. Oh, as a man who can na defense a momo dey about court ni. And no na e papa na prosecution dey there and no man into now convince judge na what dey asem dey. The address that time dey anything as ko bunkuru and now could be so the question. That time near ain't no no I case na wo share your memoir evidence act na ya na emranema judge and as a court in kwan say o share usuban ko a we ye di court no kra no it me bit me gina so e di asem no if say bu a ka kan say wakobu bi aso na ko ti mo se ya na bo se ya na bo na bo that's no plan to me dead say ya be am papa so ko bo ni kwa na so because see the way I can not go for work to so what I say say oh now you lawyer the same thing so now we na case ni ma o kan 50 ya say akosi ewie e be be ho no mu a e nin krata so ni pa ni ni ye ho de na utimi expect intelligence wo ani na they between appoint to in one way or the other into a different direction. I said, you know, kind of my face, I said, it wasn't advisable. As a lawyer, I wouldn't have advised that. Because you now want the best position now between addressing issues properly to the judge for your client. But, I mean, lawyer, be honest with the matter. I'm looking into a man or ASI, but can send the baby clan and somebody can win this. Into or train the movie, well, different lawyer by a attach it. And no. No, I'm too late. And there's no magic wonder. Obetumi will obetumi the aboa ultimate.
I see.
As at that stage, you know, now I said there, and I say there's nothing you can do.
And run a journey, Yanibo Krata, be so say, lawyer Tachia, I'm an law firm, Etro Krata, the Aquacoma court, and the Senkabe Omnia deferment about a date, you know, Nafi, Oniho, near Fancongo share, your friend saying. Wednesday, 22nd. Sana mono ayana all the time no say judge ni ejutuma na say ni judge ni because you say so dismiss it. Ebi obi first oh na me wo ho anka betimi I say ana ya wie case ni ya wie bibisa no entimi nya nsusan so bia o judgment ni so.
Yo. Eba ni say na yi na yesu ya de. Eba na court. Tumi ya de ma court no. Yi ni hodi ana eda ni hodi o kan bibere so.
Okay.
Say judge we get to media tana asem so atwa so empu say obi kura wo ni ya enio nso na judge na tu so e di asem na e woni media e wo say wo holo mu a e ma judge na say court na kwanya motumi ya sa de ye di kan say tama ye fadit e di ma case ni na omo mu hu ye ina na obi a wo no mu na ye fadit na mu na mu jitu ndi e ko ba na sa na sa men so once a record na wo
we ensema horo tim course channel so mama and also the break asene